Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on Steam with an Epic Games account. While Rocket League is now a free-to-play title available exclusively through the Epic Games Store, players who previously owned it on Steam can still enjoy their game. The key is to link your Epic Games account to your Steam version. This simple step ensures all your progress, items, and competitive ranks are synchronized across platforms, giving you a seamless experience no matter where you play. To begin, simply launch Rocket League directly from your Steam library. Upon starting the game, you will likely encounter an in-game prompt specifically designed to help you link your Epic Games account. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided. This process typically involves logging into your existing Epic Games account or creating a new one if you do not already have one. It is a straightforward procedure, usually taking just a few moments to complete securely. Linking your accounts offers numerous advantages for your Rocket League experience. Most importantly, you gain full cross-platform progression, meaning your competitive rank, experience points, and all unlocked items are accessible from any platform. This includes your entire inventory, from rare decals to goal explosions. Furthermore, linked accounts enable seamless cross-platform play, allowing you to team up with friends regardless of whether they are on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, expanding your gaming community. When linking your accounts, it is crucial to ensure you connect the correct Epic Games account to your Steam profile to prevent any future complications. Remember that, while you can still launch from Steam, new content and purchases will primarily be managed through your Epic Games account. The Steam version will continue to receive necessary game updates via the Steam client. For anyone new to Rocket League, the game is now exclusively available for download and play directly through the Epic Games Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.